Hey everyone, this is Chester down Coco Kia. Just want to do a little short video to show you our Clorox 360 system. It's a product we sell, give you a little added protection in your vehicle if you're interested in it. It's a very good product, kills 99.9% of all bacteria and viruses. So this little video will show you how we apply it. And we know you spend a lot of time in your cars nowadays, so we want to make sure you feel safe. So reach out to us if you want to get it done. Hope this little video shows you how it's all done. Talk to you soon. Thanks.